Hello, wonderful little learners. Welcome back to Kids Story World, your super special place for learning and fun. Today, we're going on another amazing counting adventure, and it's going to be so much fun. We learn, we grow, and we always have a blast together here. Are you ready to continue our counting journey today? Get your counting fingers ready. Let's take a deep breath. Get super comfy, and let's count together from 81 all the way to 100. First up, 81 fluffy clouds floating gently by. And look, 82 sparkling stars twinkling bright. Here come 83 bouncy blue balls, boing, boing. Oh, 84 cute little ladybugs exploring green leaves. Can you spot 85 juicy red apples ready to be picked? Wow! 86 busy honeybees making golden honey. What about 87 playful puppies wagging their happy tails? Look! 88 colorful butterflies fluttering in the garden. See? 89 tiny green frogs hopping on lily pads. And then 90 bright yellow ducks swimming in the pond. 91 magical rainbows painting the sky with colors. Let's count 92 happy little birds singing sweet songs. Here are 93 shiny red cars zooming fast. Watch out for 94 giggling green monsters having fun. Count 95 tall green trees reaching for the sun. Look, 96 delicious cupcakes with yummy sprinkles. Oh, 97 friendly robots marching together. Beep boop. Can you find 98 big, round balloons floating high? Almost there. 99 sleepy kittens curled up for naps. And finally, 100 fantastic fireworks lighting up the sky. Whoa! Wow! We made it! Celebration moment. Give yourself a huge, magnificent clap. Clap, clap. You did such an amazing job counting all the way to 100. Counting takes lots of practice, and your hard work today was truly wonderful. Gentle learning message. Remember, every single step in learning helps our brains grow bigger and stronger every single day. Don't ever stop practicing, and you will become even more incredible and amazing with numbers and everything else. Keep up the fantastic work, little learners.